My name is Latreia Lane, and I've been at LeTourneau University for a year and a half. I am very, very excited to take another course that will allow me to gain all the knowledge and wisdom that I need in order to teach the students of this generation and of generations to come. I plan on teaching 5th grade science for 1 year, and then I want to test out and teach high school. I feel like when students reach high school, they're just kind of pushed along or kind of pushed to the side. And I really want to be that teacher that makes a difference and makes learning fun for them. I am very excited about being at LeTourneau, crossing paths with my friends that I met my first semesters at LeTourneau, and also meeting new people that will allow me to overcome life, become a better person through their testimonies, through their trials, and everything else that they've been through. I am very excited about becoming a teacher, and I hope and pray that I gain everything and retain it that I need out of this course.